On a sunny day in June, Allie and I left our previous gig helping crew on a sailboat for a new adventure on land. Allie knew a guy who owned a boat storage facility with an office with couches for us to sleep on. This was my first couch surfing experience, and I was a little apprehensive, but Allie was excited for this new chapter, and so I followed her lead. The place was quite the change from the expensive catamaran we had spent the previous month on, but Allie and I loved it right away. It was full of character, and so peaceful. It felt like we were exactly where we were supposed to be. Good morning. We are waking up here at Lewis's boat parking. Lewis is our friend that we met who owns this facility. It is boat storage, boat maintenance, and boat repair. So we have been here, I think, just 2 days now, and it has been really amazing. It's super peaceful. Everyone's really friendly. We're thinking about staying for a week, and in exchange for staying here and sleeping on his couches, we're going to be helping him with random projects. In addition to boat repair and maintenance, Lewis is really handy, and he's actually been constructing his own house. So today he's going to bring us there and show us what he's done, and we're going to help him construct, I think it's part of the closet. So we're really excited to see all the progress that he's made already, and to have a little piece of history in making this little closet or whatever. It should be really fun. We're excited and we're ready to go. As we drove out of the town of Agios Nikolaos and into the more rural areas of Crete, we were amazed by the beauty around us. The town was nice, but touristy. This was something new. Allie and I were both thrilled to be spending time with locals, learning more about the culture and how things here worked. Lewis grew up in Crete and had spent most of his life on the island. He had taught himself all there was to know about boat repair and maintenance before opening his business nearly 10 years ago. Now he was married with a 1-year-old and building his own home. Wow. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Lewis showed us around his house and all the progress that he'd made. From designing the layout to hand building the furniture, everything was custom made. Lewis had also used recycled materials for many areas and aspects of his home. I loved the wooden door handles taken from an old boat. Nice. Our project for the day was helping with the railing for the hangers in the closet. After taking dimensions and measuring, we headed to the store for supplies. These are so cool how they slide open. Mm-hmm. Is it pretty expensive to buy land here?
No.
No? Cheap?
Yes. You can buy a small house for 10,000 euro.
Wow.
In the village,
Yeah.
not on the seaside.
Okay.
On the seaside, you can buy a house with 4 or 5 million.
Ah. We're just hanging out in the car right now, and Luis had to make a quick stop to go look at a boat that needs repaired, but we're in the car and we've done all the work on the wood and the metal that we're going to use for the railing.
And we are fine.
For the closet for his new house. So we're gonna drive over there in a little bit and put it up. And we both feel like really special to have been able to come here and experience this and have a little piece of history in his house. It's a really cool thing. So
I just want to take a nap, but I'm really happy.
okay. We are also going to be grilling tonight and drinking more Rocky, which should be lots of fun.
Και με που αφού έγινε αυτή και μπορούσαμε, έμεινε από κάτω μια γαλίδα η οποία